Now that our eBay and PayPal accounts are set up, it is now time to start adding products to our store and start researching the market to see which products are good for dropshipping, which products will not sell, and start learning and multiplying our success from there. AliExpress is one of the best dropshipping suppliers to start working with when you're in the beginning of your journey, and that is exactly what we are going to do and demonstrate in this tutorial video. So let's begin by heading over to aliexpress.com. If you don't have an AliExpress account, this is the time to make one. Simply click on Join, fill in your credentials, and sign in to AliExpress. Now that we're signed in to our AliExpress accounts, the first place where we can find good products to start selling on our dropshipping stores is through the flash deals that we can see on the front page over here. The flash deals shows the best deals that are available only for the next 48 hours or for the next couple of days. These are the best deals that AliExpress can come up with right now on the moment for the next couple of days. So the first thing you can notice once you enter the flash deals is the best deals, some of the best discounts that AliExpress can offer right now. We have the deals that are going on right now, and we also have upcoming deals, which is the next deals that will be available in the next day or two. So here you can find really trendy items that AliExpress is giving discounts on, and this is a great place to find great products to start dropshipping because these products have already been cherry-picked, they've been tested and proved to work. AliExpress is now giving extra discounts to make some extra sales on these trendy products. All you have to do from here is choose which products you want to add to your stores. So on one hand, you can always find great discounts and great profit to be had in the flash deals. And on the other hand, there will always be trendy products in the flash deals section. So it's a combination of both. Up here, you can choose different categories. They all pretty much fit the dropshipping category, the dropshipping business model, because that's what AliExpress is all about. It started as a marketplace between third-party Chinese sellers and end customers, but in time, AliExpress has noticed that dropshippers make for a huge chunk of their sales, so now it is a super dropshipping friendly platform and a great place to start. So if we click on home improvement, we can see products from the home improvement niche. If we click on auto and motorcycle, we'll see all of the products that are on flash deals and on flash sales from the automobile and motorcycle niche. So you can play around with different categories and start adding these products. Let me show you a really quick way of how to do that. All we have to do is have the AutoDS extension installed. So make sure you head to Google and write AutoDS helper on the search. The first result should take you to the AutoDS dropshipping helper extension. And when you are on a product page like this one, you will see the circle down here. This circle is responsible for grabbing all of the products on a page that we see, like for this example over here. So one way to add products is by clicking on this icon that we see over here. This is the one-click importer, and it will simply import the product to our store in just that one click. But if we want to grab all of these products, we can simply click on the extension over here, click on extract. Now all of the product IDs that we have over here have been extracted into the extension. We will export it as a CSV, and as you can see, a CSV file was downloaded onto my computer. The next step is to head to the AutoDS platform, click on Add Products, click on Upload CSV, and here you can drag and drop that CSV file that we just downloaded. Or you can click on it to open up the file browser window, navigate to that CSV file, double click on it, processing CSV, and file is uploaded. Choose your supplier. In this case, it's AliExpress, but do note that AutoDS supports over 25 suppliers to work with while I'm recording this video. By the time you watch it, maybe there's more because we're always working on adding more. So AliExpress is the chosen supplier. The region is China. You have your advanced options. Make sure you go through everything. Click on Next. Go through the whole import process, the whole configuration settings for the general, the pricing settings, shipping and policies, and in the last part you can choose if you want to add it as a draft and continue optimizing those products before we add them to our store, or we can go ahead and publish them to our stores right away and they will go live and anyone can go ahead and start buying them, or we can schedule to import those products at a later date and time of our choosing. So you can choose any date that you want. For example, let's go with tomorrow, and let's go with 10 a.m. Click on Next. Now all of the products that we had in that CSV file will be imported to our stores at the time and date of our choosing. So that's how simple it is to grab all of the products that you see on one page from your supplier's page to the AutoDS platform and to your stores in just a click of a button. Another place where we can learn to analyze and find winning products for our dropshipping stores is using AliExpress's Dropshipping Center. This is what it looks like, and we have a link to it right below this video. Now, the Dropshipping Center will help you find products to sell and will also help you with your product analysis. For example, let's click on the products to sell and see what we have in store. So the first thing that AliExpress is going to show you is some of the most popular products that are selling and trending right now. You can see the items picture, the title, the selling price, how many orders it has, how many of those orders are dropshipping orders, the product's overall rating, the sales performance, and you can analyze this product and get more information. For example, the selling history, when it started selling. Let's click on it to get a really quick glimpse. So as you can see here, when the product first launched in the beginning of March, there weren't really any sales, but towards the end of March, it started selling, and now it just reached a selling volume of 100 sales per day. That was just a few days ago. Today is the 4th of April while I'm recording this video. This is on March 31st, so you can see that this product has only started trending this week. This is a great time to get into this leather charm bracelet that we see over here, and this is a great place, as I've said, to find products to use on your dropshipping stores. And as long as you optimize your product page and your titles a little bit on eBay, your product page is on Shopify, and target to the right audiences, there is no reason why you will not find winners using the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Now, aside from just seeing this general overview of products that are selling, you can also check out products that are selling in different countries. You can also search for a specific product or niche that you want to sell. You can choose a specific category that you want to research. You can also search by image, and you can check out sponsored products. So there is more than enough to go around, and all of the tools that we're getting here is completely free. These analytic tools usually cost a lot of money, but AliExpress is all for dropshippers, and they don't mind being transparent and giving us all of this information to help them sell as much as possible, and that is a win-win situation. This is one of the best tools that are free and available for dropshippers to use. Not many people know about it, so start using it now and stay ahead of your competition. An additional great way to find winning products when you're in the beginning of your dropshipping journey is through an extension called the AliTools Shopping Assistant. You'll have a link to this extension right below this video, so all you have to do is click on it, click on Add to Chrome to install it, click on Add Extension. So now that the extension is downloaded and installed, let's see exactly how it works. Let's head to AliExpress, go to the main page, and choose any product. For example, let's go with this Star Nightlight projector over here. Now that we're inside, you see that we got a message, AliTools is ready to work. So it's showing you a little explanation of the extension, and here's where you're going to see it on the bottom left. So now that we're inside a product page, we can click on the extension and start seeing the information that we want, like price history. So let's click on price, and here you can see the price history, all of the times the price went up and down with the dates. So here you can get a good indication of whether this is a good time to buy this product. And as we can see here, $23.99 seems to be fair. We also had a $21.93 not long ago, but we've also went up to $28.99, which was not a good time to buy this product. So that is one feature that this extension is going to give you. Next, you have seller ratings. One way to see it is up here, but if you want a much better and more in-depth information on the seller that you're looking at, use the extension over here. So let's click on this 92%, and here the extension will simply give you all of the reasons why this seller is good or not good. So you'll have all of the pros and cons here, and you'll be able to come to a decision if this is a good seller to work with. And if you ask me, 92% as well. Everything about the seller is good. Only 6% are dissatisfied with the products from the seller, which is not bad at all considering all of the pros. So you have seller statistics, which is another great thing. Another thing that this extension is going to give you is product review pictures from customers who bought this product. Now, this is going to give you another distinct advantage on top of your competitors because you'll be able to have more product images than what the supplier usually gives on his product listing. So here you have a lot more pictures. You will look much different than your competitors who are not using these photos at all. And this way you can simply stand out and start selling and profiting. The last great feature that I want to talk about from the AliTools Shopping Assistant is the similar product section. So let's click on similar. Now it's taking this product and it's showing me similar products on AliExpress. So if this product is selling well for another seller and you've tried selling it, you've tried optimizing your product page, you've tried optimizing your title on eBay, you did whatever you can on Shopify and it's still not selling well, you can always find similar products to this one. So here we can see the different products, the different price ranges, and we can see how many times each product sold and the seller rating, all from this little similar section that we have on the AliTools Shopping Assistant. So if I click on this one, for example, it'll take me straight to that product page and we can go ahead and import it to our store. One way to do it, as I've explained, is by clicking on the import to AutoDS button that we have inside the listing. We also have it outside the listing, as I've showed before. You can see the AutoDS icon on the top on every thumbnail. The second place is once you're inside the product listing, you can simply click on import to AutoDS. So let's click on that. And as you can see, it's asking me if we want to take the shipping location from USA or from China, because this product on AliExpress is being sold from more than one warehouse, and AutoDS is giving you the option to choose which warehouse you would like to choose. So in this case, let's go with the USA warehouse because the product will simply arrive much faster to our customers and they'll be much happier this way. So as you can see, the import process has begun, and in just a couple of seconds, it will show up on our platform of AutoDS in the draft section over here. As you can see, it already started creating the draft, and that is how simple it is to do it from outside the product listing or from inside the product listing. And we also went through how to add many products to our store using the AutoDS extension that we have down here. That sums up this video explanation on how to find products to sell for your dropshipping store. So if you are new to the dropshipping scene, do not worry. AliExpress is one of the best and most user-friendly platforms to start dropshipping on, and they're waiting for dropshippers such as yourselves to start taking your first learning steps from this platform, start making your sales, start making your profit, and learn from those products that are selling well for you. Continue multiplying your success, and that is how simple it is to get started finding products to add to your store, and not just any product, but winning products that will make a difference, will sell, and will make profits. Good luck with your market research, start making those sales, and I'll see you in the future videos.